Two brothers lived in a small town, the elder brother Salman and the younger brother Adnan. Their father was a hard-working man. He never established a large business in his life, but whatever he earned with honesty. After their father's passing, three things were left for the brothers: a small piece of agricultural land, some old gold, and a small shop that had been running for years. None of these things were new, nor did they yield a lot of profit, but they had been sustaining the family for generations. As soon as Adnan saw everything, he said, "Brother, all of this has become outdated. Times have changed now. Nothing comes from land and a shop. We should buy new stock, start an online business, and take shortcuts." Salman listened in silence and didn't give a hurried response. Adnan showed him videos on his mobile, played clips of people talking, and said, "Look, so-and-so doubled their money from stocks in a year. So-and-so bought a car through crypto. Why should we stay behind?" Adnan was very excited. He wanted to become rich quickly. Salman only said, "Is it wise to abandon something that has been feeding us for years?" Adnan laughed and said, "That's exactly the problem, brother. You have an old mindset. Nowadays, only new things work." Finally, they both decided to divide the inheritance. Adnan took his share and sold everything, the land, the gold, and the shop, and invested all the money into a new stock and online business. He was fully convinced that his life would change within a few months. On the other hand, Salman did not change his mindset. He improved the land, gradually upgraded the shop, and kept the gold safe. People would say to him, "Salman, you are so slow. Look at how far Adnan has gone." But Salman would only smile. He knew that whatever has stood the test of time is the true investment. From here, the story takes a turn. On one side is the race to get rich quickly, and on the other, a silent but strong foundation. Now the question is, will Adnan's new path truly make him successful? Or will Salman's old assets prove to be better than the new stocks in the long run? Adnan invested his new capital, and in the beginning actually saw a good profit. His joy knew no bounds. He was showing his friends how his money had doubled in just a year. However, reality soon revealed its true face. A company in which he had invested the most capital suddenly went into loss. Some stock prices plummeted rapidly, and he had also invested in the online business in a hurry and without research. Adnan became worried and grief-stricken. In his heart, he began to wonder how this was even possible. After all, the videos and the experts were guaranteeing success. Meanwhile, Salman was harvesting crops from his land. He was receiving a modest but consistent income from the shop, and because the gold remained safe, his capital also stayed intact. Salman said to Adnan, "Son, dreaming big in a hurry increases the real risk. Real capital is that which stays strong over time. Fluctuations, like those of new stocks, do not harm it, and the capital that provides a consistent income never ends." Adnan listened to Salman's words in silence. Now he slowly began to understand that investments made in haste only provide momentary joy, but do not create true financial strength. Time passed, and Adnan saw many ups and downs in his investments. Some stocks suddenly started giving profit, while others vanished completely. Every day he would check the market news, and every day he would find himself engulfed in a new worry. On the other hand, Salman's old investments were growing quietly. The value of the land was increasing, the shop was providing a consistent income, and the gold was becoming more valuable with time. At the end of the year, Adnan calculated his finances. The capital he had invested in new stocks was half gone, and whatever remained left him feeling restless due to the constant fluctuations. Salman said to Adnan, "Son, this is the difference between old investments and new stocks. Old assets have stood the test of time. They are not intimidated by fluctuations,
and grant the true reward only to those who possess patience.
Adnan realized that Salman's cautious thinking and patience were the true strength. This is exactly what people often overlook, because nowadays, the world is entangled in the false promises of getting rich quickly. Salman further added, "This is why old assets, whether it be land, gold, or a small business, often yield more benefits than new stocks and unnecessary market noise. Time makes them stronger, and whatever survives the passage of time is never wasted."
Years passed, and a clear difference emerged in the lives of both brothers. Adnan now realized that decisions made in haste cannot grant permanent success to anyone. New stocks and shortcuts gave him temporary happiness, but not lasting financial power.
Salman's old investments continued to provide a silent but steady income. The value of the land increased, the business and the shop became stronger, and the gold became even more valuable over time. Adnan said to Salman, "Brother, today I finally understand. I had abandoned everything that had stood the test of time and all those things that were preserved with patience and hard work. Now I have seen that those very things have become the true wealth." Salman said with a smile, "Son, this is the real lesson. The world shows you false promises of new stocks, crypto, and shortcuts, but the truth is that only whatever stands the test of time gives you strong and lasting financial power." This story teaches us not to hurry, but to value old and time-tested investments. Patience and consistency are the greatest riches. New is not always better, but the old often becomes more precious with time. This story doesn't just teach us that old things are better. It teaches us that a correct money mindset, patience, and wisdom are the real keys to success. Friends, to watch more videos on business and money mindset, subscribe to our channel so that every new video reaches you first. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.